Oh hey, Assalamu alaikum. This is Marguerite Hill, the co-founder and executive director of Muslim Anti-Racism Collaborative. I'm so excited to share with you a little bit about the Ammon program, how it started, how you can apply, and what are some of the key components of the program. 2020 was the year of racial reckoning, and 2021 is the year for transformation. To do that difficult work, we have to build upon a foundation of hope. The Ammon Fellowship acronym stands for American Muslim Anti-Racism Leadership. We draw upon the wisdom of Malcolm X for our vision, and he said, "Education is our passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to people who prepare for it today." Ammon is the Arabic word for hope. The American Muslim Anti-Racism Leadership Fellowship highlights the transformative role of anti-racism and anti-oppression education. The Ammon Fellowship aims to break down barriers, build bridges, and better communities. Our aim is to identify committed Muslimark members and invest in them as emerging leaders who would expand Muslimark's capacity to deliver anti-racism training across the country. We first began the program as the American Muslims Educating for Liberation program. We held our first retreat in December 2015 and a year-long fellowship online with the participants in 2016. The following year in 2017, we organized the Ammon Intensive in Southern California. In July 2018, we gathered organizers and educators for the Ammon Curriculum Development Retreat, and then piloted our work in 2018 at the Detroit Anti-Racism Training. Later that year in December, we organized a train-the-trainer retreat in Detroit. The following year in 2019, we rebranded the program to the American Muslim Anti-Racism Leadership. In March of 2020, we organized the SoCal Muslim Anti-Racism Training Conference. However, COVID shut down the program, but those fellows helped us plan the 2021 Ammon online program. Ammon stands for Collaborative Learning. Through asynchronous assignments, Ammon Fellows will deepen their understanding of Muslimark's curriculum, as well as build their leadership portfolio and generate knowledge. Some of the assignments include public narrative speech, creative projects, and anti-racism service learning projects. Ammon also stands for community. We will build a learning community by meeting bi-monthly. The first Thursday of each month, we'll meet with the Education Committee. On the third Thursday, Ammon Fellows will meet as a cohort. Ammon also stands for commitment. We're asking Ammon Fellows to commit to 16 to 20 hours per month for studies. That is about a total of 200 hours of instruction. Upon satisfactory completion of learning modules, a one-year contract to provide minimum monthly compensated training on behalf of Muslimark will be extended to fellows who complete the program. During the program, Ammon Fellows will receive a stipend of $5,000. Who is eligible to apply? The Ammon Fellowship Program is open to Muslim leaders who fit the following criteria. They're over 18 years of age, they're self-identified Muslims, they're legally eligible to work in the United States, they're proficient in reading and writing and speaking English, and they must be a registered Muslimark member before the February 5th, 2021 application deadline. Not a member? You can sign up here at muslimark.org/membership. We're asking that those who are interested in the Ammon program prepare their application in advance. There are about 22 questions total. You'll need to upload a resume, submit a 5-minute video, upload a work sample, provide a headshot, and submit 2 references or letters of recommendations, including a peer reference. There's so many people who contributed to the program, to the AML program, and that includes all of our previous participants in our AML fellowships, our curriculum designers, former trainers, and our partners. We'd like to give special thanks to our funders, donors, and supporters who've helped promote Muslimark's work for the past 7 years. Jazakallah khair, and tawfiq, inshallah, on your applications.